Being reliable feels like the safest strategy. You deliver. You respond. You fix things when they break. And early on, that works. But over time, reliability, when tied to execution, can quietly limit how far your role can grow. This video explains why that happens, and how operators redefine reliability so it compounds instead of traps. Systems reward reliability because it lowers risk. When you're reliable, managers worry less, deadlines feel safer, problems feel contained. But this reward comes with a cost that isn't obvious at first. At some point, reliability stops being a signal of potential and becomes an assumption. The system starts routing more work to you, not because it grows your role, but because it stabilizes existing structures. You become the safety net. If something works, systems resist changing it. A reliable executor keeps the system functioning, which removes urgency to redesign the role itself. Your reliability protects the system from evolving. Being the go-to person feels validating. But it also means interruptions, edge cases, and unplanned work funnel toward you. That drag compounds, quietly reducing time, energy, and strategic bandwidth. When you respond faster, deliver more cleanly, and fix issues quickly, the system responds by giving you more responsibility, not more leverage. Effort improves performance, not position. Operators are still reliable, but not at the task level. They are reliable at the system level. Their reliability shows up as fewer failures, fewer emergencies, and fewer dependencies, not faster reactions. Operators move reliability out of themselves and into processes. Documentation, decision rules, and automation. This reduces personal load while increasing overall system stability. When you stop being visibly reliable, answering every message, fixing every issue, it can feel like you're reducing your value. In reality, you're changing how value is expressed. Personal reliability maxes out. Systems reliability compounds. Over time, the people who redesigned reliability gain optionality, while constant executors hit ceilings. If your reliability increases stress instead of leverage, if you're trusted but not elevated, if problems always flow toward you, those are signals, not compliments. Being reliable earns trust. Designing reliability earns leverage. If your reliability only makes you busier, it's time to move it out of yourself and into the system.